Hey, it's Madison. Let's install the X marks the spot. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. I'll start by cutting everything up. Next, I'll position the dashes. Place the spin spot first. Apply the dashes and squeegee over them to make sure they're properly adhered. If you're having trouble forming the infinity line, instead position the dashes in an S pattern. To apply the X, remove it from its backing and use a squeegee to adhere it into place. Remove the transfer tape slowly. Thanks for watching!